no mind, this teaching of no mind, we noticed that because of the movement of the mind, because of the mind, we tend to think that there is a world of duality. World of duality leads to bondage, non-duality leads to freedom. So no mind is the key, amani bhava. How do you achieve no mind? The yogi says by samadhi, nirvikalpa samadhi. Shut out the world. Don't get involved in the world. Stay in samadhi and finally give it up. Vivekananda said, he who runs away to meditate and die in a Himalayan cave has missed the way. Don't look at the picture of the princess of Kashi. So that is one approach to no mind. Another approach to no mind is given by Gaudapada Acharya. He says, Atma Satyanubodhena, by Viveka. Atma Anatma Viveka, by the Viveka of self and not self. By the Viveka, by seeing that the self is eternal and not self non-eternal. By seeing that the self is unchanging and the not self changing. By seeing finally the self is real and the not self is an appearance. By this Viveka, you will realize the self alone is non-dual. Advaitam. When you come to the non-duality of the self in this way, you have achieved Amani Bhava. And that Amani Bhava is permanent. It's not dependent on any kind of practice anymore. You see it as very natural.